Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my YouTube channel. I have another easy and fast, simple tutorial to show you in this video. It's using a crepe paper, and I made a bunch of these really simple ruffled crepe paper circles. They really are really easy to make, and then you can add these onto your projects. And I'll also show you some of my projects as well, just to give you an idea of what I use them for. But these would also look great to add to your packaging, to decorate your gift wrapping as well. And all I used were these crepe paper rolls, which you could easily find these in your party shop or discount variety store or your craft supply shop. And the width that I'm using for these paper ruffled circles, I think these ones are just under 2 inches or just under 5 centimeters in width. A couple of my other ones are probably a little bit less than 2 inches as well. Yeah, so just you just want some ruffled paper or crepe paper that's about just under 2 inches or 2 inches wide is fine. And that's all you need to make these really adorable ruffled crepe paper circles. And I'll just show you some of the projects that I've made as well with them. I made a cute little tag, and I placed the ruffle circle on the center, and then I just used some scrap paper and paper layered the tag, and then embellished it with a cute little bird with some gold glitter cardstock, and then just attached a word sentiment to the tag as well, and just added some knitting yarn for the string. So that's really a cute way to dress up a tag. And then I also use it to embellish some more scrap papers and made it into a bag topper, so I could use these. I could use it later to decorate my bags. And I'll just place it here on the side and embellish the front. And all I've done was I just cut the paper at 4 inches by 2 inches. You just want to decide what width your packaging is, and I just cut it at 4 inches and just fold it in half, and then use some scrap paper to embellish and place my ruffled crepe paper circle here to the side. So that looks cute. And this is I use my fringe scissors to just use my fringe scissors to cut some scrap paper and decorate that as well. I also made just a nice little simple embellishment, again, just with some papers that I had in my stash. And then I punched out the end here with a little small circle punch, and then dangled a little pom-pom on the end. And then I placed the ruffle circle here. And this is the vellum layered butterfly embellishment that I've made. I think I'll show that in another video. These are the ones that I will have in my store. I'm still working on making these at the moment. So this is really cute. So these are just some of the projects that I had made for the ruffled crepe paper, and I'm going to show you how to make these as well now. Again, it's really, really easy. All you need is your selected colored crepe paper. You'll just need a stapler and a pair of scissors. So that's all you need. No tools or gluing to make these. So what you need to do, I'll use the yellow one because it's easier to see. You're just going to grab the end, and you want to fold it over about that much. It's probably just under 2 inches. And then you want to keep folding it about 6 times. So this is the first fold. And then we're going to go, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you just want to wind it around about 6 to 8 times. I just do mine at about 6 times, which is plenty. And then you're going to cut the end off, so you've left with the piece folded up. And then you're going to grab your scissors and you're just going to cut out a circle. And your circle doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And that's what's great about this ruffled circle shape. The less the irregular circle, the better it is. But you can use a template if you want to cut out a circle template. So that is how it looks like. You'll have them all layered together and then you've cut it out. And then you just need to grab your stapler. I've got here my Heidi Swap mini stapler. You can just use your standard one, it's fine. And you want to staple it in the middle, as close to the middle as you can. So that is what you want to do. And you're going to grab the first layer and you want to bring it up. And then you want to gently ruffle it and gather it up in the middle like that. And we're going to grab the next layer and repeat that same process. You're going to bring it up and ruffle it up with the first one in the middle, and continue doing that with each of your remainder layers by bringing it up and ruffling it up. I just use my my two thumbs to separate the layers. I find it's easier like that. And just keep ruffling it up until you get to the very last one. When you get to that last one, you want to bring that up as well, and we're going to scrunch it up as much as you can. So it looks like that. And then we're going to reopen the last 3 or 4 pieces out. And then leaving the rest of them sort of in the middle, ruffled up. And that is all there is to it. We can keep ruffling the layers up if you want to give it more of a ruffled look. But that's really all there is to that. How easy was that to make that? Let's just make one more. I'll use a pink one. So again, we're just going to bring it over. And so that's the first fold, and then we're going to fold it another 5 times. So 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. I mean, this is great if you want to watch Netflix and you want to sit in the lounge room with your kids. You can just take your crepe paper and sit out there with them and make a heap of these. So again, I'm just going to cut another circle freehand. There we go. And get my stapler. And just separating the first one and bringing it up. And you can see that you don't get to see the stapler anyway, because the middle ones will be ruffled up to cover it up. And you just keep doing that. And you can see how quickly this is. Once you make 1 or 2, you'll get the rhythm of it, and then you'll be able to make them really quick. And then you can just leave these in a little compartment box and have them ready for you whenever you want to have them to use in any of your project designs. And so this is the last one. I'm just going to bring it up and cover it all up, and then reopen it again, just the first 3 to 4 layers, leaving the rest in the middle all ruffled up. And there we have it. Nice and easy to make. It looks like a little ruffled up flower. And then they're just ready, and then you just add some glue to the back, or you can punch out a small circle using some cardstock and place it in the bottom there to be able to adhere it to your project. And that's all there is to that. And just a quick simple tutorial for you, just another idea using your crepe paper. And I did a tutorial making bows. I'll put that down below if you want to know other ways to use crepe paper as well. So I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.